Hey, what's up guys? I'm an episode of Patsy Storm, Sandy Drive, working on the Honda Element. Quick little video. My strength is not the same as what it used to be, and I'm still combating that every day without going to the gym. Honda needs another Serpentine belt. I know a lot of you guys complained in the first video that it's very hard to do the tensioner, and I agree. So let me show you this little trick that I did. Alrighty, so I have my 15mm box cinch end ratchet strap. Goes all the way down to this frame hook right here, and what I did was I made the wrench, I held this at the same time and ratchet strapped it, and here we are. I was able to get the belt on no problem. Oh, and here is the correct diagram, because I know the first video was wrong. Power steering, alternator, idler, AC, crank, and tensioner. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me in the driveway today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.